guys. Alright, today let's take a quick look at the Neon Ultra. The Neon Ultra is the first smartphone assembled in Kenya at the newly launched East Africa Device Assembly Kenya Limited. The phone comes packaged with a translucent silicone phone case, earphones, a Type-C charger, and a removable battery. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. The Neon Ultra is sleek and lightweight, kind of like our marathon runners. It has a 6.5-inch display with an 8-megapixel front camera and 5-megapixel selfie camera. This phone has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB internal storage and operates on Android Go. Conveniently, the M-Pesa and My Safaricom apps are preloaded on the phone, so all your payment, data, airtime, or any other Safaricom needs are covered. This is an excellent phone, retailing at a price of 8,999 Kenya shillings and is available at all Safaricom retail shops and dealer outlets countrywide. You can also purchase it online via our e-commerce platform www.masoko.com.